Pretty is common, but pretty and smart? That's rare. Every girl dreams of glowing up, but the real glow comes when you mix beauty with brains. And here's the best part. You don't need to be born with it. Being beauty with brain is something you can build. So today, I'll show you exactly how to be that girl, the one who shines outside and inside. Let's start from the outside. Outer beauty basics. When people first meet you, they notice your appearance. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should always reflect care and freshness. Skin, keep it simple. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. Hydrate from the inside with water and fruits. Trust me, glowing skin tells people you value yourself. Hair. Wash regularly, oil once or twice a week, and protect from heat. Even a neat ponytail looks classy when done with care. Makeup, less is more. Mascara, tinted lip balm, a little blush, and you're radiant without hiding yourself. Style. Clean, well-fitted clothes are key. Even a white shirt with jeans looks chic if it's styled right. Add a signature scent, because people may forget your outfit, but they'll remember how you made them feel. Okay, you've got the glow outside. Now let's make your mind just as attractive. Building the brain. Brains are what keep beauty relevant. A pretty face can get attention, but an intelligent mind earns respect. Replace 10 minutes of scrolling with reading or an audiobook. It sharpens your thoughts and gives you new things to talk about. Skills. Smart women never stop learning. Whether it's cooking, photography, or coding, skills make you independent and versatile. Conversations. Here's the secret. Don't just talk about yourself. Ask questions, listen, and share something you've learned recently. Let me tell you a story about my friend Sarah. She's not the type you'd call the prettiest in the room, but she always gets noticed. Why? Because she's curious, well-read, and she listens. She once casually shared a fun fact about space during lunch, and suddenly, everyone was hanging on to her words. That's the power of brains. It makes you magnetic. Confidence and personality. Confidence is what connects your beauty and brain. Without it, both go unnoticed. Posture. Straight back, chin up, calm smile, walk like you own your space, even if it's just a cafe entrance. Communication. Speak clearly and slowly. Intelligent people don't rush. Avoid filler words like or like. Practice in the mirror if you need to. Emotional intelligence. Learn to stay calm during conflicts. Read people's emotions and respond with kindness. That's true strength. Kindness. The most magnetic women aren't arrogant. They uplift others while staying confident in themselves. Think of the person you admire most. Chances are it's not just their looks or brains, it's the confidence in how they carry themselves that leaves an impression. Habits and lifestyle. Small habits shape who you are. If you want both beauty and brains, your lifestyle has to support it. Sleep. 7 to 8 hours. Glowing skin plus sharp mind. Exercise. Boosts posture, energy, and confidence. Diet. Balanced meals with proteins, veggies, fruits. Limit junk food. Organization. Tidy room, tidy mind. A messy desk kills creativity. Time management. Planners, to-do lists, or apps. Smart women don't just dream, they execute. Becoming unforgettable. Remember this, beauty fades, but brains never go out of style. Be the girl who has both. Beauty with brain isn't about being perfect. It's about balance. You become unforgettable when you care for your looks, keep learning, carry yourself with confidence, and treat others with kindness. At the end of the day, people won't just remember how you looked. They'll remember how you made them feel, and how your presence inspired them. If you're on your glow-up journey, drop it in the comments and let's glow together. And don't forget to subscribe for more girly mindset and glow-up videos, because the world doesn't need just pretty face. It needs pretty minds too. Stay beautiful, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.